Hello there, here we are in the beautiful region of Abruzzo today. I am showing you a very cute townhouse, fully restored in the heart of a small town located on top of the hill called Palmoli. Absolutely beautiful. I'll put in the drone video just to show you what town we're talking about, and this is super pretty, very quiet. If you're looking for peaceful tranquility in a town in the south of Italy, this is a great place for you. Now, this is 211 square meters of townhouse. Again, it's been fully restored. Currently it's 1 bedroom, but could easily be 2 bedroom. But without further ado, let's go inside. Now, let me start by showing you this door. This is absolutely beautiful. It is such a thick, solid door. You've got the knock, obviously, that we have in lots of these older doors, but you can just feel the weight behind it when I'm actually pushing in. And this kind of brings us into this little hallway, nice entranceway. Again, it's all been fully restored, and they've gone for that modern old look here, which is a very difficult one to pull off, but I think they've done a great job. Now, there's immediately to your right a utility room, very useful to have in these types of properties, but you can see they've got the exposed stone, and you do actually have a separate entrance for this little section here. So really nice to have this separate utility room. There you've got the old mangiatoia, that's where the animals would have been eating, and it's beautiful that they've managed to keep that feature. As I say, it's just in the hallway once you enter. The property, as I said, it's 211 square meters, but because we're on a town right on top of this hillside, we have these stunning views, and you can see they've gone for that open space. Very much feels like, you know, those kind of modern apartments that you find in big cities, but there's a beautiful feel about this place, and especially because of the amount of light coming in from the balcony area as well as the window. So just come outside on this balcony, because I've got to show you this view. It is even more pretty from the second floor, where we have the master bedroom and bathroom, but this stretches all the way around. You've got sea views, you've got all the surrounding hills as well as the villages in the area, and I can't stress enough just how stunning this view is. Unfortunately, views never come out as good on video as they do in person, so just keep that in mind. So they've gone for this little lounge area, so you've got a little sitting area here at the front. Obviously can enjoy those views from this area here. You've got another window over there. Now this is a property that can be lived in all year round. It does have the radiators, which you can see. So that's absolutely an option if you did decide to come and move to Italy and to Palmoli for good. Now this is the kitchen area, as you can see, super modern. Everything has been fitted recently, so these are all modern units. We've got the fitted Siemens microwave in here hidden away, as well as the hidden fridge and all the kind of kitchen accessories that you'd expect to have in one of these beautifully restored properties. So absolutely stunning kitchen, and not something we often see in townhomes in these smaller villages. So here, this is really where they've got this as a sitting room stroke study stroke office area. This could easily be that second bedroom if necessary. You've got dual windows here on both sides of the property here, so there's lots of light coming in here. We haven't actually turned on all the lights, and then it's actually a really good spacious room. So absolutely, depending on what your needs were, you can decide how you want to play around with this room. This is really your current bonus room. So coming round, we come through the kitchen. You can see the kitchen even extends on this side, so there's more cooking area, there's more cupboards, and plenty of space for all your cooking needs. Now coming up the stairs, you can see we've got little stone stairs here, so I love how they've kept a lot of the original features of this property where they could. Now we'll start by coming into the bathroom up here. One thing I did want to point out is that you've got this amazing view when you are sitting on the toilet. Now I'm a big fan of that, especially because here again you can see the same views that we saw downstairs, you can see upstairs, and that's from the toilet itself. You can see it's a modern toilet, so they've done everything again. It's all been done recently. everything is really to good taste and obviously a very high standard, as you can see. So you can see those beautiful views there. Coming through here, we have the master bedroom, absolutely huge. I love how big this room is. Now this is all the storage space behind me, but you can see if I open my arms up, this is a very big room. We have very tall ceilings, and look at the roof here, the wooden traverse that go from side to side. Absolutely beautiful to see. And again, this actually opens up onto an open bathroom. Very nice to have. Absolutely huge, this bathroom here. So you've got the options whether you want to be on display or not to whoever's in the bedroom. But this shower is absolutely massive and a really nice thing to have. But I've really got to show you the nicest thing about this property, and that is the terrace that goes out on here to this view. Now the view was stunning from down below, but from up here, it is something else. It is something really that needs to be seen to be understood. And this, again, it stretches all the way around. We've got 180-degree views here, and I'll add the drone video in because it's so pretty to see where this property is located. And it's a really pretty town. We'll see to put some videos in of the town as well where we can. But it's absolutely beautiful, a very peaceful town in the south of Italy, in an area which you're going to be very much happy to live peacefully and very much like have a property where you are nestled in the history of this area as well. So again, 211 square meters of property here, fully restored. Again, we are in the town of Palmoli in Abruzzo, so a beautiful region, a beautiful property. If you have any questions on this property or any of the others, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you very much for watching.